Removing the CD player, climate control and the sat nav on the Lexus IS200. To remove the sat nav on the Lexus IS200, there's a little plastic cover here that will reveal two 8mm or crosshead screws. Now you've uncovered two 10mm bolts. You've now uncovered two more 10mm bolts. The CD player and the climate control are all in one unit, and you just need to lift it up slightly and away. Remove the connectors for the climate control. And then just further down you've got the connectors for the stereo and the aerial. Now to separate the stereo from the climate control, you would just need to remove this bracket from both sides, which are all crosshead screws.